Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's lesson, we're going to solve a simple-looking expression, but one that often confuses people if they don't follow the right order of operations. The problem is 8 minus 2 times 8 minus 2. At first glance, this looks pretty easy, right? You might be tempted to go straight from left to right. So you'd say 8 minus 2 equals 6, and again 8 minus 2 equals 6, then multiply 6 by 6, and you'd get 36. Seems fine, but that answer is not correct. And here's why. Whenever we see more than one operation in a problem, we have to follow the order of operations, the special rule that tells us which part to solve first. We call this rule PEMDAS. Let's break that down. P stands for parentheses, anything inside parentheses comes first. E stands for exponents. M and D stand for multiplication and division, and they share the same level of priority. And finally, A and S stand for addition and subtraction, which come last. So remember, parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. And both multiplication and division go from left to right, just like addition and subtraction do. Alright, now let's apply that step by step. In our expression, 8 minus 2 times 8 minus 2, we notice there's a set of parentheses. That's the very first thing we handle. Inside those parentheses, we have 8 minus 2, which gives us 6. Now the expression becomes 8 minus 2 times 6. So what do we do next? We look at what's left. We have a subtraction and a multiplication. According to PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So we'll take care of that multiplication first. 2 times 6 equals 12. Now the expression turns into 8 minus 12. And finally, we handle that subtraction. 8 minus 12 equals negative 4. So our final answer to this problem is negative 4. So remember, even simple-looking problems can trip you up if you don't follow the rules carefully. Always think of PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Once you get that order clear, you can solve any expression confidently and correctly. And that's it. Our correct final answer is negative 4. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more math lessons just like this one.